There's nothing more powerful than having an optimal digestion system. So today we're talking about cleansing your colon. And we're making one of my favorite recipes to do that. It tastes absolutely delicious. It is incredible, and it helps move things along the digestional tract. And when the bacteria of our body and our guts is thrown off, we have more brain fog, we have fatigue, it impacts our sleep, it impacts our ability to make love. And I know that if you're anything like me, you want to experience life to its fullest. This recipe is going to help you do just that. You're going to have more energy, you're going to have more mental clarity, and you're going to be able to go after the things that you really want in your life. So if you're not pooping 2 to 3 times a day, you got issues. I'm just messing with you. All right, so the star of the show in this smoothie is bromelain. And I know you love it because it's sweet. It's loaded with great fiber, which helps move stuff through your colon. It's also loaded with enzymes and tons of vitamins in the pineapple as well. About 2 cups of pineapple we're gonna throw directly in the blender like this. 1 cup of kale right here. I have 2 teaspoons of flax and 2 teaspoons of chia, and together these make a gel-like substance that are going to scrape your intestinal tract and help with the digestional process as well. We have celery. This is like Mother Nature's toothbrush and Mother Nature's digestional cleanser. As you can see, all of this actually scrapes inside the intestinal tract as well. And I have a handful of spinach. We have 1 cucumber, just like so. Chop this up, throw it in the blender. This is gonna be a huge smoothie. I have 50 billion CFUs of the world's greatest probiotics for biotic balance, just like so. I'm gonna open this up. This is seriously going to be the most powerful digestion smoothie ever created. We have some Organifi green juice. I have 1 scoop already in here. So this is gonna add a nice minty flavor to our smoothie as well. It's sweetened with low on go. It's going to help it taste even better with the pineapple. And we got 1 cup of water as well to add a little bit more liquid. Now the cucumbers are gonna give it some liquid as well. This is a Kuvings blender. This thing is brand new and it's absolutely incredible. So here we go. Now that is a green smoothie, and it's always greener with Organifi. Here we go. Wow, health does not have to taste bad anymore, my friend. You can drink this every day. Also, incorporate more water. I think a perfect colon cleanse would be drink lemon water in the morning, have this smoothie in the afternoon, and then have a salad. Maybe add some chicken or salmon or something to it at night. Do this for 3 days, you're gonna start feeling better, your energy's gonna go through the roof. If you're the type of person that gets into pain a lot, you have the aches and the pains, the shoulders, the joints, I'm gonna show you something that will help mitigate that today. I just got done with a workout out in the gym, and one of my favorite things to do after workout is actually have a ginger shot. So yes, I do squats, then I do shots. Squats and shots, and squats and shots. So 1 knuckle of ginger, it's gonna spice it up. Actually, this has been used for 3,000 years in Ayurvedic science. And according to a 2009 study, it showed that 40% of the muscle pain when taken after a workout goes away. So you recover faster. So to get rid of inflammation and to lower it completely, I recommend ginger, turmeric, omega-3s, exercise, breathing, meditation, and positive thoughts. Did we get all that? You do it yet? You didn't do it. Come on, take a screenshot. I know you want this for future reference. All right, so there we go. And we're gonna use a knuckle of ginger. We're gonna use a whole apple here. So I'm gonna cut the core out. You never wanna juice apple seeds. They actually have cyanide in them. So I doubt that you wanna put that in your body. All right, and are we ready? Check it out. There's the shot. We got 1 apple and 1 knuckle of ginger. This stuff is like liquid gold. Turmeric is also really good as well. could add a little cayenne pepper on top if you wanted to. But here's the juice shot, just like so. Mmm. It's like a spicy applesauce. Oops. Tastes absolutely amazing. Mmm. And I find warms my body up, gives me energy. I feel amazing when I have ginger. I have one of my favorite juice recipes right here, okay? This is absolutely incredible. So let's check out the ingredients in this. The juice recipe calls for 4 stalks of celery. I don't really like to measure, so I'm just gonna grab half of a celery thing right here. We're gonna throw it in. Oops. We got 2 cucumbers, just like so. 5-second rule on the celery. We got 2 cucumbers, we got the celery. I'm gonna put in a whole apple. Now the thing about apples you don't wanna do is you don't wanna juice the middle because these seeds have what's called cyanide in them. And you don't wanna be juicing that. Okay, so we have a whole apple. Green apple, by the way, it's a little more fiber. And we wanna heat it up a little bit. So we're gonna go like this. Just a sliver. A sliver of ginger is good enough to make all those digestional woes go away. All right, so cinnamon, just a pinch we're gonna use. And the star of the show, last but not least, one of my favorite things on the planet, apple cider vinegar. Now, who knows the benefits of apple cider vinegar? If you're watching this right now, leave a comment below and tell me the benefits of apple cider vinegar. This is going in our juicy juice. Come follow me over here. I drink at least 1 juice a day. We got 1 cucumber. This is the Kuvings slow juicer. So we got a little celery. Oh, you have to see this. Are you watching this? Oh my goodness. The green juice has arrived. Now I already put 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in here. Just because I feel like I need more energy today, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Here we go. Mother Nature's Kool-Aid. Right there. Cinnamon. Just a dash. For my weight loss breakfast. Great at regulating blood sugar. Even the smell of it increases cognitive function, increases circulation, helps stimulate mitochondria, which is the individual cells of the ATP. It's the energy power plants of our bodies. Crazy stuff. Mother Nature is so good. And so is this juice. Oh my God. Anyway, here's the recipe. Get yourself some apple cider vinegar. I'm Drew Canoli. As always, remember, we're in this together. We're in this together. We're in this together. If I would imagine apple cider vinegar had a voice, it would probably be like, hey, I'm here, and I'm gonna heal your body.